Keller Geo-Instruments is a surveying and monitoring company. We're a division of Keller UK. Lately we are involved with the industry major projects.
We're one of the market leaders and we tend to do a lot more of the specialised and more high complex sort of projects.
The main part of our business is instrumentation and monitoring, and we have been using Leica Geo-Systems products for many years now. In 2020 we decided to expand the business and take on the challenge of setting out and site engineering basically.
When we established this team a couple of years before, we was focusing we like to have the best engineers with the best kit.
I bought my first instrument in '86, the T2 and the DI4, and I've used Leica ever since.
Back from when I was a graduate, left university, Leica was always the systems that we used to carry out any form of monitoring carried out on site.
We have started with manual surveying and then moved over to the automated total station systems as well.
My previous experience, Mark from SCC has introduced for me, the ICS 70s and 80s.
So 2 years ago, Laszlo approached me and said he was going to be joining Geo-Instruments, that's part of Keller's. This was going to consist of 10 engineers, so it was a new setting out department. They wanted the latest equipment and obviously with the best productivity gains. That led me to obviously show them iCON.
Which was the biggest challenge, the data processing. It is what was a problem for us on a daily basis, how we can provide. And with this type of iCON system, we can work much easier and faster.
Getting within the tolerances you've specified and which you've tendered and promised to the client. When you start going to old school methods in a small narrow area, so without the sort of total station equipment, we would not be able to guarantee to our client.
A lot of the time you could get inconsistencies within the data. There was a lot of issues around human interpretation of results and data that you're taking readings from.
We selected the iCON system when I first joined Geo-Instruments. My counterpart here, he asked me to consider using it, and obviously it was completely different to a standard total station solution.
Obviously with any new product that comes out or any new systems and tools, there's always an element of support and after-sale support, which is carried out with our Geo-Instruments team.
I train surveyors and site engineers how to use this instrument. Some of them never used that before, and within very short time they are able to work with iCON on site.
On this project we are doing pilings mainly. We set out the position of the piles and we do checks. We make sure pile is going on the right place, the cage and the bars they are inserting in. In total on this project is around 6,000 piles.
6-7 engineers working on the project, which is a huge number. Like again, going back to data processing is when you collecting from say 7 engineers different places, it's really important you're using high quality data processing and looking after the stuff much easier with this system.
After a 2-week trial of using iCON, the engineers really enjoyed using the equipment. And what they found was that productivity was definitely up because the software is not asking them many questions, very fast and very easy to get from starting the job to the end result and producing a report of the work they've done.
I mean, we've been going now for 18 months plus, and we haven't had any piles out of position.
Probably the biggest benefit is that I never have to worry about it. I can give it over to someone like Geo-Instruments and they provide me what I want when I want it.
Because of the easy to use software, as well as finding that they were getting good productivity gains, they were definitely getting jobs done faster. The engineers were happy as well.
It gives people that reassurance of knowing that you can rely on that data that you're getting, both from a client perspective and also from us carrying out our due diligence at delivering work to the quality that we expect from Keller. A total station is synonymous with Leica, so the moment you start talking about monitoring, surveying, setting out, people automatically associate that with Leica systems. So being able to use that for our clients, it gives them that little bit of extra confidence that we're delivering something to the standards that they expect as well.
I think what we like most about Leica is the reliability and the support that we've always received. Many of our projects run for multiple years, especially the tunnel projects where instrumentation sometimes is down for 8-10 years. Therefore, our products require quite a lot of servicing and maintenance. And so far, the relation between ourselves and Leica has been very good. The iCON series gives us exactly what we need, and also we can run our checks and do the job right first time.
It's very easy, it's quick, it's taking you straight away where you want to be.
It is very intuitive, so it makes our life, engineering life, easier.
What they really liked after the engineers using the software for a while was that, obviously very productive software, what they found was that there was less room for error. And this is due to a lot of automation in the software. There aren't many questions that the software asks you.